How's everybody doing out there in Hot Wheels world? Well, I haven't had a chance to open up two packages. This is a box opening today of two of them. Here's one from Bob in Ohio. Second box he sent me, good friend of mine. And we have a box from a Hess Truck collector, Joe. So I opened the letter from Joe that was taped to the side of the box, and he doesn't want his last name to be said out on the YouTube, but I do appreciate you sending me something, Joe. I sent Joe a box. Let's do Joe's first. I sent Joe the Hess Truck that I have. That is the helicopter one. And he needed that one. I had it mint in the box. And he said he had some fire engines, Matchbox cars, the fire engine that was pretty mint, and one that was in the box. Let's see. Let's see what we got. Okay, we have 67 Pontiac GTO. Very cool. I definitely don't have it. It looked like it was sitting around for a while. Okay, let's see what's in here. And we have a Matchbox. Fire engine. Looks like a brass ladder. Yeah, it's definitely a brass ladder. It's not chrome. It's Matchbox number. Fire engine. I can't tell. By Lizzie, made in England. That's really cool. And we have a dump truck. Dump truck just needs to be cleaned up. Also, number 48, made in England. Dump truck. And the wheels are mint on it. That's nice. Okay. What's in here? Okay, here's the one in the box that he was talking about. The box is in pretty bad shape, but I love it anyway. Truck is nice. Looks like the just a little dusty. The wheels are mint. All 8 wheels. Glass is fine. And it does have the box. I'll have to straighten up the box a little bit. Matchbox. Number... Is it number 10? It's hard for me to tell, but I think it's number 10. That is awesome, Joe. Totally awesome. I hope you're enjoying the Hess Truck with the helicopter as much as I am these cars. And then we have a bag. Let's see what this is. Corvette, plastic Corvette. It's too bad this is the one he was talking about that he can't do anything with. I don't know if I'll save the wheels. It's a 63 split window Corvette. I'll see if I can fix this together with a hot glue gun or a wood burner. That's nice. I like that. Okay, what do we got? A 68 Hemi Barracuda. That's nice. I don't have that for sure. All right, number 12, Lindsay Toy. I'm going to restore this one. Let me see how the wheels are attached. Yes, definitely going to make a video of restoring this one with another one I have. A VW. The back opens up. Okay, this is made in France. Little VW. Okay, here's the second fire truck. And it also has a brass hose on the top. I don't know if you could see that. The wheels are very nice. If you can see the wheels. This would definitely be a candidate for one to restore. It doesn't have any glass front, so this would be easy to restore. It's all metal. Put that with the other fire engine. Check this out. It's a little, like the top of a trophy, or the side of a trophy, all metal angel. I'll definitely do something with that in one of my artworks or creations. That is cool. Then we have a Nomad. Chevy Nomad. Definitely Hot Wheels. And the last one is a brass engine Street Freak. I've seen these before. I've never seen them with the brass engine. I don't know if he did that. And the radiator's brass also. That's a cool car. Brass wheels. I like it a lot. So there you have it. Sent from Joe. Thank you very much. I really appreciate the trade. I do have other Hess trucks. If you guys who collect Hess trucks out there, this is the mint condition fire engine. And this is a fire engine I am definitely going to restore. Very nice. All right, Joe, I'll send you an email tonight. I got it. Look up this video. Awesome. Thank you very much. The next box we're going to open up. Hold on. Just put this right here. It's from Bob in Ohio. Here's my opener. Opened that wrong. Hold on, guys. This is packed pretty tight. What'd you send me here, Bob? Hold on. Commercial break. Whoa! Really cool. Look at this. Racing Champions Mint Edition 57 Chevy Bel Air. There we go. That is nice. Thank you very much, Bob. Say hi to Gay and Amy and Clark for me. That is super nice. The one thing different about these Racing Champions Mint Editions is that they're really made well. I'm not going to customize this or do anything to this. I'm just going to keep this in a little box. This is special. This is nice. Thank you. That's the second bag. Let me see what's in here. And now we go to the two mystery cars. 07. Okay. The VW Beetle convertible. Green with green fire. Chrome wheels. Very nice. I have one already. I do trade if you guys out there interested. And then I have another 07 mystery. Oh, look at this, guys. The Jaguar. And I sent one of these Jaguars out to a guy, just to show you real quick, because I didn't have another one. Here's the lead sled I made. Now you could see it side by side. That's the lead sled that I put together from that car. After stripping that car down, there it was. That's how it looked. That's how it started. And that's how it looks finished after I customized it. I'm not going to customize this one because now I have one to show how I started with. And there's the front. I went from a flat front to a pointy front grille. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I am working on a crazy custom car right now, and I will be restoring this little car. It's an easy restoration. I'll restore that one, and I have a green race car by Lindsay also that I'm going to be restoring. Thanks to Bob in Ohio for the Racing Champions. Please subscribe. Leave your comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. And thanks to Joe. Hope you're enjoying the Hess Truck. I'll do something with this little angel. I love getting angels also. When somebody gives you an angel, it's really good luck. God bless. Till next time, Big Mike's out.